How do I connect my headphones and speakers to my Samsung Smart TV at the same time?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about how to connect both your headphones and speakers to your Samsung Smart TV at the same time. This setup can be really handy when you want to have a private listening experience while still sharing the audio with others in the room. So, let's dive in.
What you'll need.
First things first, let's list the things you'll need. For this setup, we're going to use a Bluetooth transmitter, which is capable of transmitting to two devices simultaneously. 1. Samsung Smart TV, the central part of our setup. 2. Bluetooth headphones. These will be one of the audio output devices. 3. Bluetooth speakers, the second audio output device. 4. Bluetooth transmitter, to connect both audio output devices to the TV.
Connecting the Bluetooth transmitter to the TV.
The next step is to connect the Bluetooth transmitter to your Samsung Smart TV. You'll need to plug the transmitter into the audio output jack on the back of your TV, often labeled as audio out or line out. Here's how you do it. 1. Connect the transmitter's cable to the audio output jack on the TV. 2. Power on the transmitter by plugging it into a power source.
Pairing the Bluetooth headphones and speakers.
Once you have your transmitter connected and powered, the next step is to pair your Bluetooth headphones and speakers with the transmitter. The exact steps may vary depending on the model of your Bluetooth transmitter, but the process usually goes as follows. 1. Set your headphones and speakers to pairing mode. 2. On the transmitter, press and hold the pairing button until it enters pairing mode. You might see a flashing light. 3. Pair the first device, then press the pairing button again to pair the second device. You might need to consult your transmitter's manual for specific instructions.
Testing and adjusting the setup.
After you've connected everything, it's time to check if everything works correctly. 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. Play some content that has audio. 3. Adjust the volume on both the speakers and headphones. If everything has been done correctly, you should now be able to hear the TV's audio from both the headphones and the speakers simultaneously. And there you have it. With a Bluetooth transmitter and a few easy steps, you can connect both your headphones and speakers to your Samsung Smart TV at the same time. It's an excellent setup for balancing private listening and shared audio. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Enjoy your dual audio experience.